Hi, I'm Chiara Manzini. I'm an associate professor in neuroscience and cell biology at RWJMS, and I am the chair of the BHI Strategic Planning Committee. I'm here today to introduce you to the strategic planning process and to ask for your help. As you know, the BHI's mission is to support and coordinate neuroscience research across Rutgers. There are more than 300 independent research laboratories focusing on brain health and dysfunction in different departments, schools, and campuses at Rutgers. The goal of the strategic planning process is to review the mission and vision of the BHI and to identify growth opportunities and develop new initiatives that will better serve the membership in the next few years. The strategic planning process started last fall with the assembly of the Strategic Planning Committee, which is being assisted by the Rutgers Center for Organizational Leadership in developing the strategic plan. The composition of the committee was intentionally very broad, with leaders from both the Newark and New Brunswick campuses, from the two medical schools and the undergraduate colleges. Together with Rutgers leadership, we identify 7 major themes that we would like to expand. Integration across campuses for increased collaboration, the creation of more collaborative groups for funding and research, neuroscience training, DEI initiatives, industry partnerships, marketing and visibility, and fundraising and philanthropy for the BHI. But the most important thing in developing these themes and maybe identifying themes that we have overlooked in this process is to engage our membership, both faculty and trainees, to understand what is going well, what is not going well, and what is needed. This process of collecting feedback started last year in November 2023 at the BHI Symposium, where we conducted a brainstorming event. And first of all, I would like to thank, on behalf of the Strategic Planning Committee and of BHI leadership, everybody who contributed to the brainstorming event. Because everyone was incredibly engaged and we were very, very excited about the feedback that we received with multiple recommendations and ideas of new initiatives that we can actually try and implement. We will continue this process, and you hope that even if you've already participated, you will come back to us with more ideas, with town halls and surveys that will be coming out in the next couple of months so that we can collect more feedback from the membership. We will then coordinate and organize all of that information to start setting priorities across the themes in what we would like to achieve in the next few years. We will engage Rutgers leadership where resources are needed to figure out how this plan is going to be implemented. And so what I ask for you now is to continue to engage as stakeholders. By the end of the spring, we will hopefully have a draft of the strategic plan that will then come back to everybody for more feedback so that we can further foster collaboration and really continue to work together at Rutgers. And so thank you so much.